Have you ever wondered why a ship made of steel doesn't sink, yet a tiny steel nail plunges straight to the bottom of the sea? This intriguing phenomenon is all thanks to the fascinating world of surface chemistry. Let's embark on this captivating journey together. Surface chemistry, as the name suggests, is the study of physical and chemical phenomena that occur at the interface of two phases. These phases could be gas and liquid, liquid and solid, or even gas and solid. It's like the border control of molecules where interactions and exchanges take place, defining the characteristics of the substances involved. So, how does this work? Imagine a party where everyone is dancing, the dance floor is the surface, and the partygoers represent the molecules. The interactions on the dance floor, the moves, the dance-offs, these are the reactions happening at the molecular level. Now let's delve into the key concepts of surface chemistry. Adsorption is one of them. It's like a welcome party for molecules. When molecules of a gas or liquid come into contact with a solid surface, they get invited or adsorbed onto the surface. It's different from absorption, where the guest molecules would get swallowed up or distributed throughout the host. Another critical concept is catalysis. Picture a matchmaker at the party helping two shy individuals to meet. That's what a catalyst does. It speeds up a reaction without getting consumed in the process. Last but not least, we have colloids. These are a special kind of mixtures where tiny particles of one substance are dispersed in another, but not dissolved. Imagine a fruit salad, where each piece of fruit retains its identity, yet is part of the whole. So to summarize, surface chemistry is all about the interactions at the interface of two phases. Adsorption is the welcome party for molecules on a surface, catalysis is the matchmaker that speeds up reactions, and colloids are like a fruit salad of dispersed but undissolved particles. Remember, every time you stir your coffee, blow a bubble, or even breathe, you're experiencing surface chemistry in action. It's an invisible world that shapes our visible one, and understanding it opens up a universe of possibilities. So the next time you see a ship sail smoothly over the water, instead of sinking like a steel nail, you'll know it's all thanks to the fascinating world of surface chemistry. As we cap off this journey into the fascinating world of surface chemistry, we invite you to dive even deeper. For more information and to explore the intricacies of this subject further, please visit AminulChem Innovation. They are pioneers in the realm of surface chemistry, constantly pushing the boundaries of knowledge and application. There you can find more detailed explanations, real-world examples, and exciting experiments to try out. Because remember, surface chemistry isn't just something we study, it's something we live every single day. Dive in, explore, and continue the journey of discovery.